Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my blow drying routine that I do on my hair while protecting it from heat damage. I actually blow dry my hair whenever I'm about to do a protected style or about to do a silk press. So if you're interested in seeing how I blow dry my hair while protecting it from heat at the same time, then just keep on watching. All right y'all, let's get into it. Alright YouTube, so this is how we're going to start out. You see my hair is in its curly state. I just washed it, and as you can see, it's already starting to dry just because my hair is high porosity and it dries very quickly. My hair does have a lot of tangles in it. I am going to detangle it as we prepare for the blow drying process. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and try to section it off. And as you can see, I'm having some trouble, y'all. Once I get it sectioned off, I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner and put it through my hair and just try to help with some of this detangling because I got a lot to work through, y'all. Once I get the leave-in conditioner on there, I'm going to section it off again and try to make 4 parts. And I'm going to take my vent brush and work that leave-in conditioner through. Then I twist that section of hair to get it out the way. Then I'm just going to repeat that same process on this section of hair, starting off by detangling from the bottom up and then twisting it once I'm done detangling it. So now I'm going to repeat that process for the other side. So now I am done detangling my hair. I got 4 pigtails, and y'all, I look like a ratchet Pippi Longstockings, but it is detangled. So now we're just going to prepare for the blow drying. I'm going to put my favorite oil throughout my hair just to oil the scalp. Then I'm going to start by untwisting one of those sections and then just combing through it again to make sure that it is fully detangled before we start with the blow dryer. I'm going to then take my olive oil heat protectant and put that on my hair to prepare for blow drying. So now I'm going to take the heat protectant and put it throughout this first section of hair. So the blow dryer I'm going to use is called a Hot Shot Tools. I will link it below, but it does come with the comb attachment and other attachments. I am going to put it on low heat, as you can see, and I'm going to put the speed on high just so I can blow dry my hair faster. So again, that heat is on low and the speed is going to be on high. So once I start blow drying, I am going to take that comb attachment and kind of work my way up the hair just so I make sure that the bottom is fully detangled before I go from the root down. So I'm just taking the comb and kind of working my way up through the sections. I am still putting tension on my hair to try to stretch the hair as I am doing this, but I just kind of start at the bottom and then work my way up toward the root when I'm blow drying that section. So once I feel the bottom is fully detangled, I am going to start at the root and then start combing down to try to get this section as straight as I can. I'm really just trying to get a lot of the waves out because whenever I blow dry my hair, I'm either preparing for a silk press or I'm going to be preparing for a protective style. So I want to make sure that I got as much of the waves out of my hair as I can. So once I am done blow drying that section, I do go ahead and twist it back up just because I'm trying to, I don't know, just get it out the way. Y'all don't pay attention to that gray hair that's in the middle now. I told y'all I'm getting old. So once I am done twisting this section, I go ahead and repeat this same process on every section of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle with that wide tooth comb, put my heat protectant on, and then once I got my heat protectant on, I'm going to start blow drying like I did the first section. So once again, I'm going to start from the bottom up. And y'all, one thing about the middle of my head or the back of my head, I got this real thick hair in the middle, y'all. So I be having to really make sure that this section is detangled, because if I don't, I'm telling y'all, I lose a comb in there. Didn't I tell y'all I lose a comb in there? Y'all see that? That's why you got to make sure your hair is really detangled, because I'm telling y'all these attachments will come off. So for the next minute, you're gonna see me finish blow drying the rest of this section. All right, y'all, so I am done blow drying through every section. Once I get to this point, I actually start looking and just making sure all the waves are gone. I actually saw that my roots still needed some attention, so I pulled the blow dryer back out to get those roots. So for me to get those roots, I actually put heat toward my scalp, and then I put tension on my hair just to try to get some of those waves out with the blow dryer. So now my hair is complete. I have gotten my roots and I feel like I'm pretty much done. As you can see, my hair is blow dried. And y'all, I really like when my hair is like this. It feels so light and fluffy and just, I don't know, bomb. I feel like I'm having my Beyonce moment. But y'all, this is what it looks like when it's finished. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I will see y'all in my next video.